Well, you know, it doesn't even tell you the radius of the circle, though. If it told you the radius, then you could do it so much easier. Yeah. FB, EC, FD, and CE. Is that work out the value?
It's working now.
They're all points on a circle. A, D, B, and E are all points on the circle. So that tells you
what we're trying to find X.
X, yeah, X centimeters.
Well, first you need the radius. And to find
it doesn't tell you the radius.
Yeah, to find a radius,
Yeah. It doesn't give you the radius.
So the length of the chord is 11.
Yeah, the chord length is 11. But that doesn't really help, though, because there's no angles. And this is only difficulty level 3 as well.
I'm sure there is some quite easy way to do it, but it's just confusing.
Yeah, I'm sure there always is, but it is so hard to find.
Yeah, we're going to be like, oh.
Because there's no tangents here. I think I'm just going to see if I can get what the answer is. X equals 4. Apparently. 7 times 4 equals 2, brackets, 2r minus 2.
Wait, what? 7 times 4 is 2? Send me what the mark is.
7 times 4 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2r minus 2.
Send me the mark scheme.
I'm sending you the mark scheme. I don't understand this.
Can you send it?
Yeah, I sent it.
Yeah.
It doesn't make sense to me.
7 times 4 equals 2 times the
2r minus 2. What does that? How?
The diameter minus 2. 7 times
7 times 4. But how does that? What does that tell you? 7 times. What is 7 times 4?
Oh, I get it.
Well, I don't. How?
I thought my confidence would help me, but it didn't. 7 times 4. 7 times 4, but 4 isn't even on a different axis, it's just the length.
So what does that tell you? What does 7 times 4 do? A point on a circle. I thought the mark is supposed to explain. It doesn't explain anything.
7 times.
What does that mean? Like what?
You're on record.
I don't really care. Like this question is ridiculous. What does 7 times 4? How do you know 7 times 4 equals 2? No, I understand why it says r minus 2 now. That makes sense. Because your R minus the 2 that's there.
No, but it's 2r minus 2.
That makes sense. Well, it's like the whole diameter minus 2.
But how
does 7 times 4 equal that?
Yeah, how does that
Oh, maybe it's not that 4. Maybe it's a different 4. Maybe the 4's not nothing to do with that.
No, but it would have said so in a previous instruction.
Well, the marking's always quite brief, to be honest.
Okay, we'll just hope that we won't get that difficult of a question of the test.
No, I want to show this one to Mr. Harvey, to be honest.
That's a bit too far.
No, seriously, I'm being honest. Just send it to myself, so I've got that in case I go to school or something. But I also want to show him this question because I really don't understand. I really don't. Okay, it's sent.
Why don't you just send it to Mr. Harvey?
No, I'm just scared.
Just say, sir, how can you help me with this question? And then he'll just email it to him. Or send it to Adrian, he'll probably do it. Or Rory.
So that angle there is 62 as well. Because all angles and alternate segments are equal. No. I don't know. Some weird angle rule says that one's 62. Which makes those out to 134, so there must be 46 degrees.
Are you sure you picked the questions with the information we've learnt already? Because sometimes they give you questions.
Definitely.
So we should be able to do that one then.
The angle there's 28 degrees. The angle there's 62. The remaining one is 80. Okay, I'm getting these all wrong. No, you're right. This is too hard. This is not. I selected the thing that said all circle theorem, so I guess there's more that we just.
Yeah, obviously.
I just thought it was the same. Oh well, I give up. I'll do it. I might be able to. I achieved 33%. Oh, a message from Dr. Jamie Frost himself. I love how it auto selects £10 donation. It doesn't even let you. It just auto selects that. I think I'm going to give a monthly £50.
Is that seriously an option?
Yeah. My name is 1 2 5 6 7 8 9 10 0. You know, 1 2 5 6 7 8 9 10 0. Oh no. Like I'm just very sort of like I don't like spending money, to be honest. What does leaderboards even mean? How do you get points for the leaderboards?
What do you mean? That's the
okay, let's do the number game. I mean the times tables game.
Oh yeah, do you want the hack?
I forgot what 10 divided by. I forgot what 10 divided by 2 was for a second. Like that was just ridiculous. 4, 12. Well, I put 13 instead of 12. I keep mistyping.
What happened to math revision?
7, 12, 33. Right, it's nothing to do with math revision. 20. It's nothing to do with math revision, to be honest. But you know. I can't speak. It threw me when they had two of the same answer in a row for different questions. I got 22. I don't think Matthew could really get 53. Like, it's so much higher than second place.
No, Matthew's like really smart though.
I know that, but 53 is just stretching beyond the realm of possibility. At that point, you have to start wondering: is it?
Maybe he created
Is
the
it
script.
genuine?
Matthew doesn't even take computing though. I don't think so.
Well, he might be a different computing class. There's more than one, isn't there?
What? Yeah, but I don't think he
More than one
does.
computing class, isn't there?
Yeah.
No, he could be in the one that's not yours.
He could be. He could be so smart that the computing classes are too easy for him, so he does it on his own.
I got 22 again. Anyway, that's got nothing to do with the maths.
There's some people in the computing class that are so far ahead that they could probably just do their GCSEs now, and it'll just fall asleep while doing it.
Oh, CD is a tangent. I can put all the difficulties
hemisphere.
in this one,
What is a hemisphere?
Work out the size of angle X.
Hemisphere. Hemisphere.
What?
A hemisphere of radius 2x is melted down to form a cone.
What's 180 divided by 12?
What?
What's 180 divided by 12?
8 or 80?
180.
It's obviously
15.
15.
15. So the W is 15 times 7, which is 105. I think. It's 105. And the other two angles sum to 75. So that one is 37.5. Y X is 37.5.
The area of a sphere is 4/3 pi r.
Line OP is radius. Line QR is chord.
2/3 pi
And
r.
lines OP and QR are parallel. I remember that question in physics where he misspelled parallel multiple times.
Oh yeah.
On purpose. Dun, 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 dun,
Is the area of a sphere 4/3 pi r cubed?
It is. The volume of a sphere, yeah.
Yeah. And then a cone is 1/3 pi r h. Pi r squared h.
What did 5x. That one there's 5x. 12x 180, so x is 15. Yay.
Make some Harry Potter into your humming.
Mm-hmm. How would you do this one?
Send it to me.
This is supposed to be really easy, like a level 2 one, but I'm not too sure. Oh, the question is QM, by the way.
QM?
QM.
So if you mark MR as 8 and LP as 6, does that help you?
Probably, yeah. But how? How does that help you?
Correlates the triangle's perimeter and the circle's perimeter.
Well, they're all tangent, aren't they? But I don't see
Yeah.
how that helps you either.
'Cause tangents are equal and they're 90 degrees, that's all I know.
Yeah, the tangents are equal, but they've basically told you that because I've told you which ones are the same. So I'm not too sure.
What? QM?
QM, yeah.
So if that side is 14, try splitting the triangle into two. Two right angle triangles.
But you don't know any of the lengths of the triangle on the other side, though, so that wouldn't help you. You'd have x and x plus 6, actually, so that might... There we go, piece of paper, I'll be back. That's probably how you do it. Okay, so let me think. That whole length is 14.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's so easy. I did it. I did it.
How?
So, just draw the Deathly Hallow symbol by connecting P to M.
Okay.
And then you know PR is 14
Yeah.
and MR is 8.
Yeah.
So by Pythagoras you can find out that PM is 14 squared minus 8 squared, which is 2 root 33. Yeah?
Okay, let me think. So what is square root of... That my general calculator.
Yeah, it's... So PM is 2 root 33. So...
And for QM, you've got x and x plus 6. The QM is x and QP is x plus 6.
So you can write 2 root 33
Square root of
squared
x squared
plus x squared equals x plus 6 squared.
square root of x plus 6 squared minus x squared. So that's x squared plus 12x plus 6. It's basically root 12x plus 6. What is? So root 12x plus 6 equals 2 root 33.
Yeah.
Then 12x plus 6 equals 4 times 33, which is 120, 132. Take 6, you get 12x equals 126. X equals 126 over 12, which is equal to 10.5.
See? Not that hard.
It's wrong. So are you sure about root 14 squared minus 8 squared?
Well, yeah, because the hypotenuse is opposite the right angle. And that has to be a right angle because it meets the tangent at 90 degrees.
Let me think. 224 minus 64 is... No, it's not 224. It's 19... What's 14 squared?
Okay, let me do my own questions.
196. It's root 132. Yeah, that works. That is x, and that should be x plus 6. Oh, it's 36, not 6. Of course. So 132 minus 36 is actually 94, 96. So x is 8.
Was it a problem on your side?
No, it's wrong.
I don't know.
Again.
There's no way. Probably know the circle theorem.
42 minus 8 minus 8 minus 6 minus 6. What? Where did they get 42 from? Okay, I'm going to have dinner. Bye.
Dinner is so overrated. Y plus x to y minus x equal to k to 1.